Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to gamify slides. This tutorial will be covering over links, and I'm assuming you already know how to use Google Slides. Alright, so let's say you want to link this slide to this slide. So what you want to do is you go to this slide, copy the link, then you go to this circle over here, paste the link in, then just do that. So now when we go in our slide, see? It works as intended. Now, what if we turn this into some type of point and clicker game? We have to get rid of that link because clicking this would take us back to there, but yeah. Actually, I should probably change that to... Anyway. So it wants us to click blue, right? Well, what if we made this circle red? Oh, see, look. Now we have like enemy circles. Or like another circle. I'm actually working on like a circle clicker game. But, yeah. So this guy is going to go back to the start because that's not blue. So we just do that. And we go to the next level. So we make the blue circle go that. Okay, both of these circles should work. There we go. And if we click red, nice. Everything's working. Now let's make this level a little bit harder. Circle's going to be smaller. Let's decrease the border size too, since it's smaller. Yeah, that's good. And mistakes some beginners make. If you're making like different colored circles, you want to do this link thing beforehand. Then you can copy the circles. If you copy the circles without doing the link thing, then you have to assign a link to like each and every one. And oh my god, I learned that the hard way. Because when I was making the first impossible quiz, oh my god. There was like this one with like 100 circles that I did. Oh my god. Purple circles. Oh my god. They're like a gimmick in like a game I'm making. Pretty crazy. Anyway, this blue circle isn't linked, so we're just gonna copy this. Put it in here. And we're at level 3. Now this should work as intended. Nice, third level. We're just gonna copy this guy again because it's easier to copy and paste. Oh yeah, wait. If you don't know how to make circles, go up here, shapes. You can access a bunch of shapes, but we're just gonna be using this one. And that's how you make a circle. But for the sake of this video, we're just gonna be copying and pasting this circle because it's way easier like that. Let's see, this was on the right, this is on the left. Let's make this somewhere in the middle. Yeah, there. Oh wait. I seem to have copy and pasted this, but didn't copy and paste that. That's no biggie. See, we're just gonna copy this. And instead of deleting this and reassigning the link, we can tap this little thing, copy and paste our new link, and it takes us back. We're not going to be testing that until we have all this done, though. Yeah, sure. Let's make a yellow circle. Oh wait. Oh wait, no, we're good. I thought I had this like link on it. See, even I make mistakes, and I'm the one that's like, oh my god. Anyway. And imagine if we had like a big red circle. Yeah, let's add one. Let's have a big red circle here and a big green circle. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just like showing you like how a game would be made. And let's make the border like bigger. Yeah, this is crazy. Bro, this is so crazy, man. Anyway, let's do dark green again. And green. Because this side is green and this side is red. It would be purple because, but like now. We gotta replace that. Alright. So, wait. There we go. Because like this was next to that and this is next to that. Anyway. Without further ado, let's test our game. So we click this circle. Click blue, blue, and blue. Hey, we won! Nice. Let's get a little trophy. Alright, let's play one more time. Wait. What if we added click me? That'd be funny. Alright. 1, 2. Three. Hey, we did it. Nice. Now, the next video is going to be talking about more complicated cases where you're in an area, you get a key, and then you're in the same area, but something happened. This has been probably the first tutorial I ever did. Bye.